The calendar section of Bio One-on-One Partnering has been enhanced to allow you to easily view your calendar in your own local time zone. More on that later. At the top left of the calendar is the Delegate Selector. You can view and edit any delegate's calendar from your company profile. By default, your entire partnering calendar is completely unavailable. You must make some time slots available in order to send meeting requests or schedule meetings. Keep in mind that one time slot equals one potential meeting, so more available slots means more opportunities for you. The left side of the screen shows your calendar, and the right side shows available sessions and education topics. Let's take a look at some of the new time zone features. By default, all delegates will see the conference time zone in their calendar. The partnering system will also automatically detect your local time zone based on your computer's clock. I'm in Washington, D.C., for instance, so the system also shows me my current time zone of Eastern Daylight Time. Having side-by-side times helps everyone have a single point of reference while conveniently seeing meetings in your own time zone. Now, there are two ways to change partnering availability in your calendar. If you just want to change one time slot, you can click on the left where it says Available or Not Available to toggle that specific time slot. If you'd like to edit multiple time slots at once, click the Change Availability button. Then you can click Change on the right side here on any partnering time slots that you would like to make available or unavailable. And of course, we recommend that you open as many as possible. Be sure to adjust your calendar availability for every day of the event. When you're done, click Save and Return to Calendar. If you don't want to make the changes after all, click Cancel. You can also click Update Entire Day to make the whole day available or not for partnering meetings. But remember, you'll want to block off some time for sleep. Let's take a look at the different colors in the calendar. Dark blue is for scheduled partnering meetings, yellow is for personal events or personal notes, and light blue is for educational sessions like panels and company presentations. Let's start with scheduled meetings. Clicking on a meeting in your calendar shows you the company's profile. If you want to view the meeting request quickly, click View Messages, and you can see the meeting request thread here, as well as send a quick message to the other company. If you'd like to reschedule the meeting or take another action, click on the meeting status to jump directly to that meeting request in your message center. Yellow items in your calendar are for personal events. To add a new personal event, you can either click on the right side of the time slot when you'd like the event to begin, and then fill in the required fields here, note the time zone, or you can select the New Personal Event button. The light blue items in your calendar are educational sessions. Clicking on one will show more details, like the description and location. Live sessions will be shown here in the calendar. On-demand sessions, in contrast, because they don't technically have a start time, can be accessed from the home page in the right panel here, the sidebar. Now let's take a look at the educational sessions. Click in the Track Selector bar to see the different categories going on for the event. The Sessions and Education Topics section is designed to overlay your partnering calendar, side by side. If you want to see all of the programming in a more traditional list, just click View All. To add a programming item to your calendar, simply click Add. The partnering system will ask you whether you want that time slot to be marked as available or unavailable for partnering meetings. Now this is important. If you're interested in the session but would take a meeting during that time, click Yes, and your calendar will be available for meetings. If that session or presentation is top priority, then click No so that no partnering meetings will be scheduled during that same time. Also, there are handy features here so that you can print your individual or company calendar or export your calendar in a variety of formats. Keep in mind that the individual calendar options show all items, including partnering meetings, programming, presentations, and personal events, while the combined company calendar shows only scheduled meetings for all delegates. One of the many great features of Bio One-on-One Partnering is that scheduled partnering meetings automatically push into your Outlook calendar and adjust as they are rescheduled or canceled. Note, please accept the Outlook calendar invitations you receive because those indicate that you're listed as a participant on a scheduled meeting. Please don't decline those invitations. If you wish to remove yourself from the meeting, you can do so in your message center. Also, if you use Google Calendar or would otherwise like to export an ICS file, you can do that clicking the ICS option here. Watch the Message Center and Scheduling tutorial to see the great enhancements we've made to allow you to partner virtually